Let's sublimate the most amazing color changing glass cup I've ever seen. It color changes to like a frosted clear glass when it's warm. There's like where I grabbed it. Here's the design I made in Cricut Design Space. I put this rectangle in the background because that's the size of the cup if it was like flat. But now that I'm actually ready to sublimate this, I'm gonna delete that backing layer because that was just to represent like the color of the cup. And all of those images are just from Cricut Design Space. So now I'm gonna highlight everything and click flatten. That turns it into a print then cut. So now we're gonna hit make it. We want to mirror it. Then we're gonna print it with no bleed. And I'm actually cutting it out manually because I don't wanna waste my time having my Cricut cut it out because it's just a rectangle. Now let's tape it to our mug. All taped down. Preheat the mug press. Then we stick it in there, clamp the handle, and we wait. Here's the end product hot, and here it is cold.